Yesterday you drove to Atlanta for your acting class. I told you that I would go, but I have a habit of breaking promises. As soon as you left the house, I sat down on the couch, said a quick prayer for your drive, that you'd make it there alive. But then I thought to myself, well, I really should have gone. I found you. And to the store right out the mill. When the night could be sweet. Until you swept me up from my feet. And the rain sings, the cop smiles. He finds me but with style. The car got up, some flat tire, but riding shotgun eyes, someone like you. So every day when the alarm will come, the day that I know I'm in love. Will it feel warm and dry like a kiss in July? Will it chill down my bones? Will it cool like the snow? And I look at my window to see what the universe has in store for me. People passing by in the street will be smiling at me, 'cause they already know what it's like being in love. The sky starts to roll up its clouds, so the sun can't just stop hiding out. The windows will open and sing like birds that are spreading their wings. So every night I stare at the moon just to check if she's still looking.